Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll see how to convert or how to format local date time. How to format local date time with the help of datetime formatter. So let's write the code. Let's create a class. Datetime format.demo, and inside this I'm going to create a main method. And now what I'm trying to do inside this datetime formatter is I'm going to create a local datetime object. So local datetime equal to local datetime dot now. What we are doing, local datetime equal to local datetime dot now. And now what we are going to do, we are going to print system dot out dot println before equal to datetime. And now what we are going to do, how do we format? We use the datetime formatter method. So datetime formatter class, and then first we'll create the formatter object. So datetime formatter equal to datetime formatter dot of pattern. And then to this pattern, what we need to do, we need to give the pattern. So what would be the pattern here? So the pattern, just for the time being, I'm giving the pattern as YYY mm and then DD, and here I need to pass HH colon mm colon SS. And now we have the date time and the formatter as well. So what we are doing, we are printing the current date and time in this format, YYY mm DD HH mm SS. Sysout, finally just say sysout and call datetime dot format of and just pass the formatter. Now let's run the program and see the output, how to format the current date into date and time. So this is how it looks. So 2020, 5 and 3, okay, 3rd May 2020, and we have printed the time in the 24-hour format. Now assume that if you want to get only date without any time, so how do we do that? So just extract the time values or remove the time values, and let's run the program again and see the output. If you see here, 2020, 5 and 3. So before the date and time is like this, and after that date time is like this. So this is how we format the date and time by using the datetime formatter and the local datetime. So hope you understand, right? So what is the purpose of this datetime formatter? This is present. So this datetime formatter is used for, it's a formatter for printing and passing the datetime objects. And when it got added in Java 8. When it got added in Java 8. So if you see, this is the 1.8 and it's a immutable and thread safe. So hope you understand how to format the date and time using the datetime formatter. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.